Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the Honor Watch 4 Pro, a new smartwatch launched by Honor in China with a premium design and a circular dial. Is this the best smartwatch for you? Let's find out. But before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive right in. The Honor Watch 4 Pro has a 1.5-inch AMOLED screen with LTPO technology, which means it can adjust the refresh rate dynamically to save battery life. The screen is bright and colorful, and it supports always-on display and touch gestures. The watch has a stainless steel body with a frost-like texture, giving it a sleek and elegant look. It also has two physical buttons on the right side for navigation and quick access to features. The watch is water-resistant up to 5 meters, so you can wear it while swimming or showering. The Honor Watch 4 Pro is not just a pretty face, it also has a lot of health and sports features to keep you fit and healthy. The watch can monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen level, sleep quality, stress level, and even detect atrial fibrillation, which is a common heart rhythm disorder. It also has a fat-burning algorithm that can help you optimize your workouts and achieve your weight loss goals. The watch has built-in GPS and various sports modes, such as running, cycling, hiking, swimming, and more. You can track your performance and get real-time feedback on your wrist. One of the most impressive features of the Honor Watch 4 Pro is that it supports eSIM connectivity, which means you can use it as a standalone device for voice calling, messaging, WeChat, independent payment, NFC, and music streaming. You don't need to carry your phone with you all the time, as the watch can connect to 4G networks and sync with your contacts and apps. You can also use the watch as a remote control for your phone's camera or music player. The Honor Watch 4 Pro has a long battery life that can last up to 14 days on normal usage and up to 10 days with eSIM enabled. You can charge it with a magnetic charger that snaps onto the back of the watch. The watch is offered in 3 colors: black, brown, and dark green. The black and brown variants have leather straps, while the dark green variant has a silicone strap. The Honor Watch 4 Pro is priced at around $219 for the black and brown variants and $246 for the dark green variant. The watch is up for pre-orders today and will go on sale from October 16th in China. There is no word on when it will be available in other markets. So, what do you think of the Honor Watch 4 Pro? Is it worth buying? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.